Good morning to all. Hi viewers. In last class we have discussed about how to create a Google form. Once you create a Google form, you will get a responses like this as shown in the screen. So this is the Google form. Once you collect the data, if you want to look at the data, you just click on the responses. So in the responses, you can able to see the various responses that collected from the Google form. Once you create the responses, you click on the icon here, view response sheets. Automatically the responses will be open in a Excel sheets like this. So once you open in the Excel sheets, we have different fields like email address, participant name, affiliations, etc. To generate a certificate automatically with the help of the fields like participant name and participant options, you just go to the option called add-ons here. You just click on add-ons. So once you click on the add-ons, you have an icon called get add-ons. In the get add-ons, you just click on the get add-ons. Once you click on the get add-ons, you can able to see the screen like this, and you can see here Autocrat. You just click on the Autocrat and you installed. As in my system already I have installed the Autocrat, it's showing the installed. If you have it already installed, you just select this. If you not installed, you click on this and install the system. To make sure that the Autocrat is installed in your system, you just click on the add-on and you check here the Autocrats were successfully installed. So once the Autocrat software is installed, automatically you select a Autocrat in the add-on session and you open the Autocrat. Once you open the Autocraft, you can able to see the screen like this one. Already I have generated 2 certificates, that's why it's already showing. If you want to create a new job, you just click on the new job here. You create here any name that you want to generate in the certificate and you click on next. From here you need to take an example certificate that which you trying to do it out. You can collect from the drive or you can create an example by using the Google Sheets. Let me use the recent one which already I have used in this one. I am just using this certificate that which I am having. You can generate this one with the help of a Google Sheets or with the help of an your design auto Photoshop or PowerPoint presentation, anything, and you select the certificate how you want to generate here in this choose template. I have choose a template here, research work final certificate. Once you choose that, click on the next. From here I have given the tag. Make sure that inside the certificate, I'm clicking on the certificate, you need to give the tag here. I have given here the tag is participant name. So make sure that you need to give the tags here within the quotations. The tag should already exist in the thing. And then click on next. You can see the tag here. You select the responses, merge tab to the from responses. So this tag is merged with the participant name. Click on next. Automatically you can able to see the thing here. If you want to generate the multiple output, you create multiple output. Multiple output means for each and every participant it will go automatically to the mail. You select the multiple inputs, click on next, and if you choose destination folder, you choose it out or you click on next. Any optional thing, this is next. So you want to share a document means you click on yes. If you don't want to share a document, you click on no. Next, you click on save button. So where you need to save the data, you need to select here the references. So click here share documents and send mails, right? You want to share document, yes, to the Gmail. So you need to use here what kind of mail you are using. You can use within a quotation what you have used here. You may have used like email means you just click here email and you save it. So automatically the certificate is created to you. It asking to type the certificate, you just type here certificate. And if you want to type any message, please find the certificate. That's it. The certificate will go to this email ID that which is in the Google form, and the subject is certificate, and you can type any message and you click on the save option. And where you need to save this thing is, you can save in this any one of the folder, AutoCAD demo folder. Click on next, 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 and save it out. So the job was saved. So I have clearly given here. Once again I am repeating the steps. See demo V, if you click on the play button, automatically the certificates will go to the corresponding email IDs. That's it. Once again I am repeating. Once you go to the Google class, you just go to the add-ons, open your AutoCAD, and you go find the steps what I discussed here. You click on the play button, the certificates will be generated automatically. If you want to know how to create a Google form, you can see my video in the description button. Any doubts, you leave as a comment. To know the updates of my video, you can click on the notification button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.